Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. How are you doing? How are you doing? Where are you from? Where are you from? What's your name? What's your name? I like your smile. I like your smile. You seem very kind. You seem very kind. Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby? What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? I love your energy. I love your energy. That's so interesting. That's so interesting. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? I like pop music too. I like pop music too. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? I've always wanted to go there. I've always wanted to go there. Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? I love comedy films. I love comedy films. That's my favorite too. That's my favorite too. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? I enjoy playing badminton. I enjoy playing badminton. Let's play sometime. Let's play sometime. You have a great sense of humor. You have a great sense of humor. I like talking with you. I like talking with you. You make me laugh. You make me laugh. You're a nice person. You're a nice person. Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I love reading books. I love reading books. Me too. I love stories. Me too. I love stories. Do you use Instagram? Do you use Instagram? Let's connect online. Let's connect online. What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like? I enjoy mystery stories. I enjoy mystery stories. Who is your favorite author? Who is your favorite author? I like J.K. Rowling. I like J.K. Rowling. Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea? I prefer coffee. I prefer coffee. There's a nice cafe nearby. There's a nice cafe nearby. Let's go there someday. Let's go there someday. That sounds great. That sounds great. Do you like pets? Do you like pets? I love dogs. I love dogs. Me too, they're adorable. Me too, they're adorable. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. That's cute. What's its name? That's cute. What's its name? Its name is Bella. Its name is Bella. Do you go for walks often? Do you go for walks often? Yes, I like evening walks. Yes, I like evening walks. Walking helps me relax. Walking helps me relax. That's true, it's refreshing. That's true. It's refreshing. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? I usually watch movies. I usually watch movies. Sometimes I go shopping. Sometimes I go shopping. Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Where do you usually shop? Where do you usually shop? I go to the city mall. I go to the city mall. Maybe we can go together. Maybe we can go together. That would be fun. That would be fun. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Blue suits you well. Blue suits you well. Thanks, that's so sweet. Thanks, that's so sweet. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing? I'm not very good at it. I'm not very good at it. You can learn easily. You can learn easily. Maybe you can teach me. Maybe you can teach me. Sure, that would be fun. Sure, that would be fun. Do you like parties? Do you like parties? Sometimes yes. Sometimes yes. I prefer small gatherings. I prefer small gatherings. Me too, they're more peaceful. Me too, they're more peaceful. Do you like watching TV shows? Do you like watching TV shows? Yes, I love comedies. Yes, I love comedies. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? I like Friends. I like Friends. That's a classic. That's a classic. Do you cook? Do you cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Yes, I enjoy cooking. What do you cook best? What do you cook best? I make great pasta. I make great pasta. Wow, I love pasta. Wow, I love pasta. Maybe you can cook for me. Maybe you can cook for me. Ha ha, sure one day. Ha ha, sure one day. Do you like learning languages? Do you like learning languages? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. English is fun to learn. English is fun to learn. You speak it very well. You speak it very well. Thank you, I'm still learning. Thank you, I'm still learning. You're doing great. You're doing great. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? I love visiting new places. I love visiting new places. Where have you been? Where have you been? I've been to the mountains. I've been to the mountains. That sounds beautiful. That sounds beautiful. Yes, it was amazing. Yes, it was amazing. Do you like the beach? Do you like the beach? I love the ocean view. I love the ocean view. Me too, it's peaceful. Me too, it's peaceful. Let's go someday. Let's go someday. Do you watch YouTube? Do you watch YouTube? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. What do you like to watch? What do you like to watch? I watch English learning videos. I watch English learning videos. That's great. That's great. Learning together is fun. Learning together is fun. You are easy to talk to. You are easy to talk to. Thank you, so are you. Thank you, so are you. Let's be good friends. Let's be good friends. I'd love that. I'd love that. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I like pizza. I like pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Do you eat spicy food? Do you eat spicy food? A little bit, yes. A little bit, yes. I love spicy snacks. I love spicy snacks. You should try Indian food. You should try Indian food. I'd love to try it. I'd love to try it. You're very friendly. You're very friendly. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for saying that. You have a positive vibe. You have a positive vibe. Thanks, I try my best. Thanks, I try my best. Let's take a photo together. Let's take a photo together. Sure, let's smile. Sure, let's smile. That's a nice picture. That's a nice picture. I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you. Thank you. Thank you. No problem. No problem. You're so kind. You're so kind. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Let's meet again soon. Let's meet again soon. Sure, I'd like that. Sure, I'd like that. What day are you free? What day are you free? I'm free this weekend. I'm free this weekend. Perfect. Let's plan something. Perfect. Let's plan something. Great idea. Great idea. You make things fun. You make things fun. I feel the same. I feel the same. I'm glad we met. I'm glad we met. Me too. You're awesome. Me too. You're awesome. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Definitely. Let's do that. Definitely. Let's do that. See you soon. See you soon. Take care. Take care. Have a great day. Have a great day. You too, bye. You too, bye. Bye, see you later. Bye, see you later. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Stay happy always. Stay happy always. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for being my friend.